language. Underline the verb that tell us that happened in the past. What happened in the past? Mom helped me make our lantern. Help. We watched the show last night. Watched. My sister cried so loud yesterday.
What did your sister do?
Cried.
That's verb.
I joined the contest last month. Joined or joined. Test 2. Write the correct form of the verb on the blank. Lito is a 6 years old. What input?
What did you say?
Is. Input is. Okay. I am his best friend. We are in grade 1 pupils. No, Nicole is Lito's mother. Our mothers is teachers. Right?
What? Our mothers is or are?
Is. Our mother is like that.
Mothers.
Is. Because there's S, so it's many.
Oh, if it's many is are.
Is. Write the past form of the verb. Be careful
With the.
spelling. Copy. Copy it.
Tala, you put IED, not copied.
You said before it's ED.
IED.
You're the one.
And then ED. What else? Oh, done.
I put ED. If it's all E, you can put D.
Write the word properly, ah. Oh, how about that one?
Wag.
You double the end. And then?
Add ED.
No.
Box the verb. Elio swims in the pool. Swims. Box.
Box, go.
The turtle walks slowly.
It's answer, say.
Walks. Dad reads newspaper.
Answer. Tell me.
Reads. She combs her hair. Combs.
Go.
Test 2. Is or am. I am. Happy day. Children are playing. He is sleeping. I am. Test 3.
That's only one.
I.
Not a lot. Children, there's no S. What?
That's R.
You read. That's only one. Is or am.
Children is.
Oh. I told you, don't rush. Read again, number 1. You read it all so that you know if you're correct. Read.
I am happy today. Children is playing. He is sleeping. I am 6 years old. Test 3. E-D-I-E-D. Play. Copy the word, then change Y into I-E-D.
Okay. Play. Add ed. That's different if it's play. Played.
Okay.
If play, played. It's okay not to erase it all. It's okay not to erase it all. Go. Play.
Ha. Copy the word, then double the P. Then put ed. Study. Copy the word.
Oh.
That's different.
Oh.
And then put this. Then put.
No. Erase the Y. What will you change? Study. Studied. IED, right?
Cry. It's correct.
You erase the Y. Oh, what's the answer? What's the answer?
I'm raising the heart. Why?
Smile. Smiles. I smile. Correct.